Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Subaru Outback versus Mazda CX-50, which is better. Start by checking ride comfort, cargo needs, and intended terrain to guide choices. Listen for strengths like off-road confidence, interior tech, and ownership costs so you can weigh priorities. I will highlight driving feel, passenger space, and warranty considerations to help you pick the right crossover for daily commuting or weekend adventures. Let's dive into performance and handling to see how each feels on the road. Focus on throttle response, steering weight, and suspension compliance when testing both models back-to-back. Note how tire sizes and chassis tuning change ride quality and cornering confidence during city and highway driving. Consider engine choices for towing and passing, plus available drive modes that tailor traction for mud, snow, or wet pavement scenarios. If this comparison is helping you decide, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future reviews. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep salads and sauces secure during bumpy drives, a small change that saves mess and time on long trips. I find they fit well in console cup holders and roof boxes for picnics, so check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll compare interior comfort, tech, and everyday practicality to see which suits your lifestyle. Pay attention to seat bolstering, rear legroom, and ease of accessing cargo for bikes or camping gear. Test infotainment responsiveness, smartphone integration, and driver assist readability while parked and driving. Also check practical items like cup holder placement, rear door openings for child seats, and roof rack compatibility for kayaks or cargo boxes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.